A lot of people living in the modern times often miss their medication times. This is Medi Alarm S, the IoT-based smart medicine case. Medi Alarm S is the first ever smart medicine case to appear in the world, with the combination of smartphone system and medicine case device. The following is the introduction of the Medi Alarm S application. Set the alarm according to the medicine. When it is time to take the medication, the alarm will start to sound from the Medi Alarm S device. You can exchange the usage of each medicine cell in a hygienic and convenient way. As such, the smart medicine case, Medi Alarm S, and its application records if the medicine has been taken at the desired time. If the user of Medi Alarm S misses the time, a notice message is automatically delivered to the caregiver of the user.
Did you take your pill?
Medi Alarm S records the medicine-taking habits of each user by distinguishing the user's pattern of dosing, undosing, or delayed dosing. The users can view the reports anytime on their own smartphones. You are not alone. Medi Alarm is with you.